Meaning of disturb.
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 Disturb. The word disturb means to interrupt the normal course of something, causing a disruption. It can refer to a physical disturbance, such as shaking or jolting an object, or to an emotional disturbance, such as upsetting someone's mood. The result of a disturbance varies depending on the context. It can cause damage or destruction, create chaos or disorder, or simply hinder progress or productivity. Overall, disturbance is an action that alters the status quo and can have negative consequences.